Newborn photography light setup is one of the most common things that overwhelm newborn photographers. In this episode, I'm going to break down my light setup and share with you what I use to lighten my newborn photo sessions. And to do that, I will take out my doll here. And let's start breaking down this light. So first thing first, I have my light tripod. It's a regular light tripod, the one that I use. You can use one with wheels, you can use C-stand, but I prefer this one. It's more convenient for me. I would love to have one with wheels, but for now, I'm happy with this one. Second thing, you will have your flash light that is strobe, and these come in continuous light or flashlight. The one that I use is a flashlight. Mine is Goodix SK400LL, and you will put it above the tripod. So I will screw it, tighten it on the tripod. And I always use it for newborns on its lowest setting. The lowest setting in my Goodix SK400 is 1/16. So it's a fraction, 1/16. That's the smallest power in this one. Come closer, I want to show you something. So this is my Goodix SK400. I will turn it on and you will see that it has a lamp here and it has a circular other lamp here. This long lamp is called modeling lamp, and the circular lamp is called the flash. So the modeling lamp, whether it is here or not, you will be able to do photo sessions. The most important part is the circular flash. I will turn off my modeling lamp now. The circular part, I will flash it. I hope the camera can take it, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, test. I'm testing now, and you can see that, I hope you can see, that the circular flash is flashing. So if this lamp, the modeling lamp, was broken or was not working, it's okay. You can continue with your photo session. The most important part is this donut flash shape. So Afaf, if the modeling lamp was not important, why is it there in the flash? The modeling lamp has two functions. The first function is for the photographer to have better appreciation for the light direction among his subject that he is photographing. So you know exactly where is the light falling and how it is spreading. It will give you a live view of how the light will fall among your baby. The second function of the modeling light is to help the camera focus on the focal point when you are in a dim room. So if you don't have enough light in your room, the modeling lamp will help the camera to find the focus point and focusing on it. Because camera cannot focus in very dark situations. It needs some light to see the focus point and get good automatic focus on it. And now the third part is the umbrella. The umbrella is the modifier of the light. So buying a strobe does not mean you will buy a modifier with it. Buying a strobe means that you buy only the strobe. You don't buy the modifier. You buy each one of them separately. So my strobe is Goodix, but my umbrella that I choose is Profoto. I will show you. So this umbrella is Profoto Umbrella Deep White X Large. It's about 165 centimeters. It is a big, huge umbrella with white interior. Don't choose the umbrella that comes with silver interior. It's a bit harsh on baby skin. It gives harsh light, and we are aiming to have very soft light on the baby skin. So this is the first part of my modifier, is the deep umbrella. The second part of my modifier, and we are still on the modifier, is the diffuser. And I use the diffuser that is compatible with this umbrella. So this umbrella does not come with a diffuser. You have to buy the diffuser separately. And the diffuser that I am using is the same size. It's called the Profoto Umbrella X Large Diffuser 1.5. 1.5 means that it decreases the light power by 1.5 stops. So I will put this diffuser around my umbrella, and a trick that I love to do is to have a small clamp and put it on the side that I start from and turn the umbrella while I'm putting the elastic band around the umbrella. Now when I am done putting my first layer of diffuser, I also put a second layer of diffuser of the same type, Profoto X Large Diffuser. And I will do the same trick. I will first insert it from the middle. And with my clamp, I will clamp it to the first side that I will start putting my elastic band. And now I will keep turning my umbrella and putting the elastic band around it. Now when I am done putting my two diffusers, I will remove my clamp. Yep. And now I will grab the interior of the two umbrellas together. I want to have the two strands because I don't want to have any accidents of burn when I put it on the flash, because the flash has high heat and the modifier lamp is too much hot and you can have fire accidents. So be careful not to burn your umbrella or modifier with the flash. Now I will bring my strobe and I will tilt to look slightly up. I will go the other side so you can have clear view. The modifier lamp is now a little bit warm to touch, so I will go ahead and do it. Don't do it if your modifier lamp is hot. I will insert it inside this hole under the strobe. We have here a small screw that we can loosen so we can have space to enter our umbrella pool. And after that, I will tighten the screw to hold the umbrella on its place. So we will do it now. I don't want to insert the whole pool of the umbrella, just enough to have deep light. So only like this, and I will tighten my screw. I'm tightening my screw now to hold it in place. Now my umbrella pool is in place. I can leave it. What I need to do now is to hold the cap. I need to hold this empty hole in the middle and insert my light inside it. Make sure nothing of my modifier is touching the flash, circle, donut shape, or the modifier lamp. I will make sure everything is out from this spool. And I have here my two strands to tighten my modifier. I will tighten here, and I will tighten the other one here. And to double check and to be extra safe, I will take a look from the modifiers inside my umbrella to make sure everything does not touch the modifier. Now I'm sure that nothing touching the modifier. Let me show you. Oops. Let's turn on the modifier lamp. Yeah. Now I am 100% sure nothing touches the modifier. I can close my umbrella and be assured that it's 100% safe. The last part is gonna be my light trigger, which I put above the camera. This is my light trigger. Please leave a comment if you need me to explain my trigger, because not all triggers are the same. So if you have the same trigger and you want me to explain how I use it, leave a comment and I will be happily recording that episode.